Alright, I want you guys to see my pregnant cat. Sorry if you hear the bed, our bed is really old. Okay, she doesn't look that pregnant. But
Erika's filming Nina right now.
Okay, it's easier for my boss. Okay, for like those that have seen my cat before, you could tell she used to be like this thin, literally, like that, and now she has side. Okay, here.
I don't know,
here?
it's like her usually spots, like everywhere.
I wish you guys could see, cause like sometimes I could feel the baby bumps. Okay. Kathy, lift her up. She can't even sit right anymore. Look. I don't know if you can tell anything.
Yeah, I know. That's what we
See, she's really wide, like that. Mama, are you mad? Do you like to be recorded? Say hi to your future baby owners. Okay, come here, Mama. I wanna. She's not gonna let me. Kathy, hold her up. No, don't say it, ven acá. Págate.
Okay. Oh my goodness, she's so heavy.
Alright, I don't know if you guys can see that. You can see. Okay, behind.
She's crazy.
She's a prego. But that Mama? No, she's probably gonna run away because she doesn't like being tortured. Or touched. Well, there you guys have it. My pregnant cat. I will keep you guys updated and probably record the birth of her kitties if I find her giving birth. Alright. See you guys later. Bye.